Hi, my name is Tina, and today I'm going to be showing you a way to include a citation from a newspaper into your references page. The first thing you want to do is start with the author's last name and first name. The second part, after you include a period, is to put the article title in quotes. Make sure that you also capitalize the first letter of each word, period. The next thing is the name of the newspaper. And this one is in italics. But since I can't write in italics, I'm just going to say italics. Also, make sure that you capitalize the first letter, same as you did with the article title. You also want to include the date that it was published, the pages that it appears in the newspaper, and finally, the medium. And for all newspapers, you can just write newspaper. Follow each of these with a period. Once again, my name is Tina, and that was a way to include citations from a newspaper into a research paper.